A teacher inspires hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. A teacher shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. Teachers have three loves: love of learning, love of learners, and the love of bringing the first two love together. They symbolize the light of knowledge, holding high the lamp directing the directions of life. So, this is a special tribute, a sneak into our teacher's life who are struggling the most during this pandemic. We are the teachers with the biggest heart, best preparation, deepest passion, strongest togetherness, with the will to succeed in all that we do. We are the readers, thinkers, dreamers, and the doers. We are the script writers, directors, and actors. We are, at some times, the only attentive adult in a child's life. We teach children to read, write, ask questions, solve problems, to be compassionate, and to be a global citizen. We are the leaders, motivators, but never the stars. We light the fire of imagination and creativity and keep those flames alive when our students are losing hopes. But today, when we hear and read a lot of posts on teaching community and online classes, we are forced to think, is anybody thinking about us? With the whole COVID-19 situation, we the teachers are facing some very unique challenges. The challenge demanded that we go through digital transformation overnight. We the teachers said, challenge accepted. And we hid our tech fears behind a simple smile because our students' learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that the teachers have to open their house for public viewing. We, the teachers, said, challenge accepted. We made our rooms into classrooms, foregoing our privacy because our students' learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that we have to do with limited or no resources at all. We teachers said, challenge accepted. We started working overtime to plan how to teach without resources or how to teach with the aid available in our house because our students' learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that we may need to teach while 40 to 50 odd parents are watching, judging our voice modulation, stimulus variation, pronunciation, grammar, our subject knowledge, our love, concern, and warmth for our students. We the teachers said, challenge accepted, as it didn't matter because our students' learning is at stake. Irrespective of all the challenges we are facing today, we respect our mission, we appreciate our vocation, we admire our profession. We take up the challenge of overcoming all the challenges that come in our way. We care for our students and will be doing our best for our students' learning because our students' learning is at stake.